Hi all. So today we are going to look at T-bill price function. This is a function which is instrumental in determining the fair market value of a bond. After determining the fair market value, we can decide whether this bond is investable or not. So information we have over here is the settlement date, maturity date and discount rate. So in order to determine the T-bill price, we use this function T-bill price, and this is the settlement date, then maturity and discount rate, which is 6%. So what we get is 98.98, wherein 100 is the par value with respect to par value, that is 100. Now, few things we need to keep in mind: that settlement date cannot be more than the maturity date. So if we keep settlement date more than maturity date, then it will give us an error. And the maturity date cannot be more than 1 year with respect to settlement date, as we are dealing with a treasury bill. So suppose if we make it 2024, this would give us an error, and discount rate cannot be negative. So if the discount rate is negative, further it will give us an error, right? Now we can also make use of this formula in order to determine the fair market value. So if we apply the values, it becomes 100 multiplied with 1 minus C7, which is the discount rate, multiplied with the differential between the maturity date and the settlement date. Close this, divided by 360. So we are getting the same value, that is 98.983. So this is how we make use of T-bill price function in Excel. If you guys found the video helpful, please do like it and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you guys for your valuable time.